Let me show you guys how to use this cool new Customodish projection necklace. First of all, how cute is the packaging? It comes all wrapped up in this beautiful gift wrap. One of the coolest ways you can use it is projecting onto a nearby surface, preferably a white wall. First, open the flashlight on your cell phone, face a wall, and point the flashlight at the flat side of the necklace's stone. And voila, you'll see your image, projected largely on the wall. The second method is to use your phone to see the image. Simply open the camera app on your phone, aim the lens at the front side of the pendant, the convex side, and the picture will show up enlarged on your phone screen. The third method is to view the image with your naked eye. Simply hold the central stone up to your eye and you'll see the image. A perfect sentimental gift for your loved ones this holiday season. Shop the Customodish projection necklace now.